So patatas, which are the potatoes, is 110. 110, right? 110 per kilo. Oh my God, I only got the.
So we buy some tomatoes.
Mm. One per kilo.
127.
Oh, you got change right there? One by one. One by one. How much? One what?
137. 130.
Okay. Got some garlic. Wait, wait.
Ilang kilo talong yan?
Torta talong. Calabasa. Calabasa. Got some pepper. Oh, wow. Ahí vamos, ahí vamos, ahí vamos.
Ilang kilo?
Para ver cuánto está el kilo de la eggplant, planta de huevo. Maybe there's different. Oh, look at the banana. $300 platanitos. La cebolla, mira, bien chiquita aquí. Little bitty onion. Oh, got some tomato. How much?
40.
40 de kilo. It's not bad. 40 for the kilo. I got some spring onion. Ay, cabrón. That's fucking dirt, bro. 40. Got some okra, pepper.
Kanit daw tayo ba? Sige sana nakakilo.
Oh, it's over here. I was thinking it's over there. Yeah, get tomato.
Ilang kilo inyong kabayo?
40 de kilo tomato. Viene siendo $1 el kilo de tomate. Ah,
Let's maybe do some shopping.
repollo. 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 Okay. Repollo is 35 the kilo.
Indian eh?
Mango. My God, I need avocado, not mango. Uy, babe, avocado. Hasta que le gusta el mango. Mango lover.